Hey everybody, welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how you can assign a Blooket set as homework. So let's just say, for example, this is the set that I want to use. I'm going to click the Host button. On the next screen, I'm going to pick either Cafe, Factory, or Tower of Doom. The other ones, Battle Royale, Racing, and Classic, are all activities that you can only do in class. And you would know this because when you click on it, over here on the right, it just says host game. But if I want to assign factory as homework, if I click factory, you'll notice that it says homework right here. So I'm going to click homework. And then you're given some options as far as how much time the students have to complete the assignment. You can assign it specifically for days, hours, and minutes if you want to. Change the title. And you can also decide if you want to have it be a certain amount of time or if you want them to earn a certain amount of cash. When you're ready, you click the Assign Now button. And on the next screen that comes up, you can give them this link if you want to, and then that code, or you can also just give them this link right here, and they can click that. It'll take them straight to the game. And then let me show you what it looks like after students have been playing or using the homework assignments. So over here in the homework tab, and just I'll I'm going to tell you that I do have the free version of Blooket. I don't have the paid one. So let's look at one that's actually been played a little bit. So how about the Spanish 3 one right here, lesson 2? If I click it, it'll show me the accuracy the students are having, so 90% correct. And then it will show you the students that have played however many times that they've played. They just have to put their name in there. So let's look at another one, the Spanish 1 class, 91% accuracy. And then again, it shows you the names on there, and you can take a look and see how well they're doing and check if they're completing the homework assignment. And that's how you assign homework.